Okay, so we want the solution to f of x equals 0.55 max y. 0.55 max y, well, that should be a straightforward calculation. Maybe you can do it in your head, maybe you need to punch it in, maybe you need to do it in paper. Whatever you do, it's an easy thing to do. Some ways are quicker than others, but no way it takes very long. Max y is 6. 0.55 times that is 3.3. So we want to find f of x, solution to f of x equals 3.3, right? Well, that's the y value. That's a y value, so let's see, here's 3, here's 4, here's 3.3. Try to go straight across, but you know, that's a challenge to some of us. Okay? And we find the x values. And we estimate those values. You know, maybe we subdivide the 20, there's 10, so there's 5. So I'm guessing that's maybe x equals 4 and x equals 14. Now if you do it carefully in your graph, they're going to be a little more symmetrically distributed around your axis of symmetry, right? But I'm not asking for miracles in the graph, just reasonable estimates, right? Because the next thing we do is we figure out what the equation of the function is. And we answer all these questions from the equation of the function. Okay? But first, we do the estimates because that's quicker. It doesn't confuse us with the equations. It shows us how to read the graphs. And it requires us to figure out what all these things mean before we get the precise results. All of which you need to do if you're going to think in terms of this profit versus price dynamic, okay? So you want to be good at what you do in business. You want to think about this. You want to be able to visualize this. And then you want to be able to do the algebra, which is relatively simple, okay? So here's our function. Here's our solution. So x equals 4, 14. All right? Now, let's talk about what this function might be.